Hello, fellow Notion users. I'm excited to be bringing you this video today because today I'm talking about the new view options in Notion. They just released a few new features around ways to view your databases and also ways to share views with others. So before, you wouldn't be able to share these views with everyone that accessed the table, but now you can actually set views for everyone that's involved with the project, or you can just keep the view to yourself. So that's nice if you work with a team, but I'm just going to jump right into this. And right off the bat, you'll notice this is my notes database. It's just chock full of notes, and I'm viewing it as a list right now. So this isn't the most utilitarian way of viewing this. It's more so just a way for me to see how many notes I've taken overall. As you can see, they've changed the way that you can toggle between views. So now your views are going to show up here above this divider instead of having to hit that drop down that used to be right here to see all the different ways of viewing your database. Now they're going to be very easy to click between. So if I hit add view, for instance, and I go to, let's just say list, then I hit done. I'm also going to hit filter, and we're going to filter for make private, and I'm going to write if make private is unchecked. So it's only going to show us my private notes in here now, so I don't have to worry about letting sensitive information out there on YouTube. But make private is just a checkbox that's associated with each of these. It's a checkbox property. Essentially, now we can just toggle between the views. Both of these are a list, so I'm going to make this one a little bit more interesting. And you can also click on this and change the name. So if I wanted to call this grouped by note type, I could do that, which this one says grouped by note type, but it's not. I'm just going to call this list view. And now, as you can see, you can toggle between these on top here, which is really nice. But I also want to get a little bit more information out of this. Like, I want to see which particular notes are in a specific category. So if I click on these three dots right here, I can actually group this. So if I go to group and then group by note type, it's now going to dissect these notes into a more orderly format, right? We've got all my handwritten notes right here. We've got ideas, introspective notes, journal entries, learning notes, meeting notes, and so on. There's so many notes in here. The nice thing that I like about this particular setup with this grouping by note type is I'm able to drag these into a specific type, and it will actually change my no note types to having a type. So this is useful if you've just taken a lot of notes and you haven't gone through and categorized them yet. So top channels similar to Productive Dude. I'm going to go ahead and call that introspective note. Bootstrapping guide, how to start a business with no money. We'll pull that into learning note because that's based on an article. These are handwritten notes, so we'll drag those in there. And now we're to the proverbial inbox 0 here. So that's the nice thing about the grouping feature. But what you might notice is there's also this new button here. So we can save this view for everyone that this database is shared with. So if I hit save for everyone, now everyone is going to get this view when they log in. I'm pretty excited about the new way that Notion is allowing us to interact with views. I think it's quicker, and I also think it's quicker for collaboration because you're able to share these views with everyone that has a stake in the database. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope that this gave you some ideas for how to work with your team better and also how to manage your views better. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments. I'm happy to answer. However, I'm still learning this as well because, like I said, this feature just came out today. So with that, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you did, subscribe to see more videos like this. And also, I'd really appreciate it if you drop a quick like. It would help me out a ton. And yeah, I just appreciate it more than you know. If you have any questions, as I said before, just leave them in the comments below and I will try my best to get to those. Thank you so much and enjoy this new Notion feature.